Hello guys, this is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you how to change the ambient lighting color of your Hyundai. This feature is available only in the highest trim of certain models. Specifically right now I am in a 2025 Santa Fe Ultimate Calligraphy that have this feature. So this is the ambient lighting that is around the car, and I am going to change it. So to do it, you need to go to setup, and then you go to vehicle, then go to lights, and then go to ambient lighting, and then here click in color, and here you can change between different colors. For example, I am going to put that green one, and if you notice it, change it that green one. And also you can set up to 64 colors of your choice, as you notice it. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.